Our couches are more than just furniture. They are the heart of our homes, providing comfort and a place to unwind. They are the soft embrace we sink into after a long day, offering solace and relaxation. Couches are where families gather for movie nights, creating memories that last a lifetime. And friends share laughter over coffee, deepening bonds and enjoying each other's company. These beloved pieces become witnesses to life's precious moments, from heartfelt conversations to spontaneous laughter. Because our couches are so central to our lives, keeping them clean is essential. Regular maintenance ensures they remain inviting and comfortable. A clean couch not only enhances the beauty of our living spaces, making them more welcoming, but also contributes to a healthier environment, free from dust and allergens. But cleaning a couch isn't always a simple task. Stubborn stains and daily wear can make it challenging. Several factors can make this chore feel daunting, from the type of fabric to the nature of the stains. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards effectively cleaning and caring for your couch. With the right knowledge and tools, you can keep your couch looking and feeling like new. Before we dive into it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the bell so you don't miss any new episodes. Couches come in a wide array of materials, each with its own cleaning quirks. Delicate fabrics like silk or velvet require gentle care and specialized cleaning solutions. Leather, while durable, needs regular conditioning to prevent cracking. Synthetic fabrics like microfiber are generally easy to clean, but can be prone to staining if spills aren't addressed promptly. Knowing your couch's material is crucial for choosing the right cleaning approach. For instance, using harsh chemicals on delicate fabrics can lead to discoloration or damage. Similarly, using water-based cleaners on leather can strip its natural oils, leaving it dry and vulnerable. We may diligently vacuum our couch cushions, but what about the areas we don't see? The hidden spots that often escape our regular cleaning routines. Couches, with their nooks and crannies, are notorious for harboring hidden dust bunnies. These tiny particles can accumulate over time, creating a layer of grime that is not immediately visible. Crumbs vanish into the abyss between cushions, often going unnoticed for weeks or even months. These food particles can attract pests and contribute to unpleasant odors. Pet hair weaves its way into the fabric, becoming deeply embedded and difficult to remove. This can be particularly problematic for those with allergies or respiratory issues. Dust settles comfortably in the crevices of the frame, creating a hidden layer of filth that can affect the overall cleanliness of your living space. These hidden havens not only harbor dirt, but can also become breeding grounds for dust mites. These microscopic creatures thrive in dusty environments and can exacerbate allergy symptoms. Neglecting these hidden spots can lead to a buildup of allergens, impacting the air quality of our homes. Poor air quality can cause a range of health issues, from sneezing and coughing to more serious respiratory conditions. Therefore, a thorough couch cleaning involves more than just surface cleaning. It requires delving into these secret dirt sanctuaries. By taking the time to clean these hidden areas, you can ensure a healthier and more pleasant living environment for you and your family. Couch Cleaning Chronicles: Simple Tips and Tricks. In this segment, we'll explore some easy and effective methods to keep your couch looking fresh and clean. Cleaning your couch doesn't have to be a Herculean task. With a few simple steps, you can maintain its appearance and extend its lifespan. Start by vacuuming your couch regularly, using the upholstery attachment to reach crevices. This helps remove dust, dirt, and crumbs that can accumulate over time. For fabric couches, a lint roller can be a quick and easy way to remove pet hair. Simply roll it over the surface to pick up loose hairs. Spills should be tackled immediately to prevent staining. The quicker you act, the better your chances of avoiding a permanent mark. Blot the spill gently, working from the outside in, and avoid rubbing, which can spread the stain further. Use a clean, absorbent cloth for best results. For stubborn stains, consult your couch's cleaning instructions, or consider professional cleaning. Remember, prevention is key. Regular maintenance can save you from bigger headaches down the line. Using throws and blankets can protect your couch from everyday wear and tear, making cleaning easier. They can be easily removed and washed, keeping your couch pristine. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can ensure your couch remains a comfortable and inviting place for you and your guests. Let us know in the comments below how you maintain your couch. A stitch in time: maintaining your couch for a cleaner home. Our couches are an investment in comfort, style, and often a significant financial investment too. Regular maintenance is key to preserving their lifespan and ensuring a cleaner, healthier home environment. By incorporating simple cleaning habits into our routines and addressing spills promptly, we can keep our couches looking their best. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining the heart of our homes. So, embrace the joy of a clean, inviting couch, and let it continue to be the centerpiece of countless cherished memories. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.